Looking for a CRM that actually updates itself instead of making you enter data all day? In this video, we will review Salesflare in 2026, covering its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's the right CRM for your business. What is Salesflare? Salesflare is a cloud-based CRM designed primarily for small businesses and B2B sales teams. Its biggest advantage is automation. Instead of manually logging emails, meetings, and contacts, Salesflare automatically collects much of this information from your email, calendar, and other connected apps. Key features. Here are the features that stand out. Automatic contact company tracking from emails and calendars. Visual sales pipeline to manage deals through every stage. Email tracking so you know when prospects open your emails or click links. Task reminders that help you follow up at the right time. Integrations with Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, Slack, Zapier, and hundreds of other business tools. Reporting dashboards for tracking sales performance and pipeline health. Pricing. Salesflare offers multiple subscription plans based on the features you need. While it is not the cheapest CRM available, its automation can save hours of manual work, making it a good value for teams focused on sales efficiency. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to set up and use, excellent automation reduces manual data entry, great email integration and follow up tools, strong customer support, ideal for small B2B sales teams. Cons: more expensive than some entry level CRMs, limited customization compared to enterprise platforms like Salesforce, not the best choice for very large organizations with complex workflows. Final verdict. So is Salesflare worth it in 2026? If you are a freelancer, startup, or small B2B business looking for a CRM that automates repetitive work and helps your sales team stay organized, Salesflare is one of the best options available. However, if you need advanced enterprise level customization, you may want to consider larger CRM platforms instead. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more software reviews, and let us know down below in the comments which CRM you would like us to review next. Thanks for watching and goodbye.